What if I told you that a simple cup of an ancient herbal tea before bed could transform the way you sleep, helping you drift off more peacefully, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed, while also supporting your liver's natural detox process overnight? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, keep watching, because today I'm going to reveal the science-backed secret behind this powerful bedtime tea, the herbs that make it so effective, and exactly how you can make it at home tonight. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where in the world you're watching from and what time it is for you right now. I love seeing how far this community reaches across the globe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips that can change your life. The hidden link between your liver and sleep. Your liver isn't just about digesting food or filtering toxins. It's your body's powerhouse of detoxification. Every night while you're asleep, your liver goes into overdrive, cleansing your blood, breaking down hormones, and metabolizing nutrients. But here's the catch. When your liver gets overloaded, thanks to processed foods, alcohol, medications, or environmental pollutants, it becomes sluggish and congested. This doesn't just affect detoxification, it also disrupts your circadian rhythms. And guess what? Poor liver function and poor sleep are deeply connected. A congested liver can keep you tossing and turning, while lack of sleep further impairs liver function. It becomes a vicious cycle. Bad sleep harms your liver, and an overworked liver ruins your sleep. But here's the good news. You can break that cycle. And the solution is surprisingly simple: a calming, detoxifying bedtime tea that has been used for centuries. The secret tea formula. This special evening detox tea is made with 6 powerful herbs that work together to cleanse your liver, calm your mind, and prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. Let's break them down one by one. Milk thistle. Its active compound, silymarin, protects and regenerates liver cells, reduces inflammation, and enhances detoxification. Studies even show it improves insomnia and sleep quality in people with liver issues. Dandelion root. Don't underestimate this common weed. It stimulates bile flow, helps break down fats, filters toxins, and acts as a mild diuretic to flush out waste overnight. Turmeric, packed with curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. It not only calms the liver, but also boosts serotonin and melatonin, the very neurotransmitters that regulate your sleep cycle. Ginger, soothing, anti-inflammatory, and great for digestion. Ginger helps your body relax so energy can go into repair and detoxification instead of digestion. Lemon balm, known as a natural sleep aid for centuries. It increases GABA levels in the brain, calming nervous activity and helping you drift off more easily. Chamomile, the ultimate bedtime herb. Chamomile also raises GABA levels, reduces anxiety, promotes drowsiness, and supports liver health through its antioxidant content. How to make it. Here's the simple recipe you can try tonight. Teaspoon milk, thistle, 1 teaspoon dandelion root, teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ginger, teaspoon lemon balm, 1 teaspoon chamomile. Place them in a tea infuser or cloth tea bag, pour 1 cup of boiling water over it, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger and more effective it becomes. Drink this tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed. As you sip it, imagine your liver being cleansed and your body preparing for deep, healing rest. The results. You can expect drink this tea every night for at least 2 weeks, and you'll likely notice big changes. Falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, waking up refreshed instead of groggy, better digestion, clearer skin, and more consistent energy throughout the day. That's because you're not just improving your sleep, you're supporting your liver, your body's master detox organ. Lifestyle tips to supercharge the results. The tea is powerful, but if you want maximum results, combine it with these simple daily habits. Eat plenty of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage. These activate detox enzymes in your liver. Avoid processed foods, refined sugar, alcohol, and excessive caffeine. They all overload your liver. Practice good sleep hygiene. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Create a wind-down routine like reading, stretching, or a warm bath. Avoid screens an hour before bed. The blue light disrupts melatonin. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. These small adjustments, combined with your nightly detox tea, can completely reset your sleep and liver health. Final thoughts. So tonight, instead of scrolling on your phone or tossing and turning in frustration, why not prepare this miracle bedtime tea? Just 6 herbs, 1 cup of hot water, and 15 minutes of steeping, and you'll be giving your liver exactly what it needs to reset and recharge while you sleep. Your liver will thank you. Your body will thank you. And when you wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized, you'll thank yourself. Don't forget, tell me in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is for you right now. I'd love to see how far this healing message travels. And of course, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss another life-changing natural health tip. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.